Hello everyone. Today Team Ditorch presents to you our hack product Mon Prix, which basically means my price in French. Next slide. Our motivation behind this hack was to educate every single person about stocks, its uses and profits. A lot of people still believe that investing in stock market is quite risky and dangerous. This is due to the lack of knowledge. Today, our product Monprix provides insights to the user and educates them about the benefits of investment in the stock market. Next.
Our solution focuses on embracing the method of competitive learning than the old methods of reading through text. We want to emphasize that we focus on education, not on making profits. Even our bot made a profit of 40% approximately that we train in 2 hours. We have a great graphical interface that can be attractive to many users. We're different from all the other companies because there's no sign up for our app. It's a web app, anyone can use it. You learn by looking at an AI bot, not going through text and charts. We encourage you to use your own judgment than predicting or like recommending stocks to you. These are some of our future ideas, what we can implement in our app. We want to trade with multiple stocks and modify our bot according to that. We also want to include a crypto model that could help you trade with Ethereum or Bitcoin. This is the flowchart of how our bot works. We have a server at AWS and we have a domain that points to it. That serves a React website that has 2 pages. One, the landing page, which collects some information, like the stock you want to invest in and the time period you want to invest for, which is collected by Flask API. Then we read through that stock and see if the stock is actually available in our database. This database is actually Yahoo Finance. We get the stock details from there and we pre-process it. This pre-processing is required for the bot as it optimizes its learning capabilities. These results are then combined with the stock API from Twitter and sent back to the React app the user is using. The user can see what the bot has traded, the percentage profit it has made, and can compete against, make more profits for in that particular stock. That's the working of our bot. Thank you.
So here is the website for our product Monprix. We emphasize on learning today and investing tomorrow. So it begins with the user entering his name, and after that the user can choose for a stock symbol to practice on. Here we'll be choosing Amazon. We have a list of popular stocks given you. We'll choose Amazon and press go. Here it takes a minute or two to load the result as the algorithm is running on the back end. Right, so here is our result. Here we see that our bot has made a profit of 34%, and the dots which are green indicate that the bot has made a purchase, and the pink dots indicate that the bot has sold the stock.